What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Here we have a pair of Nike Air Jordan 12s. This right here is the Nike Air Jordan 12 playoff colorway. If you ask me, it's pretty nice. Quite the underrated Jordan 12. Previous Jordan 12s have performed extremely well as a asset class, I would say. The Jordan 12 Twist, the black and yellow Jordan 12s that came out a couple of years ago. The royalty taxis did really well right away, but they kind of got a little worse after that. If you like these shoes, check out the StockX affiliate marketing link in the description. There's a link where you can find these shoes available for purchase pretty much in any size on StockX. You'll get a pretty reasonable deal on StockX. As usual, we're going to throw them on foot. You can let me know in the comment section what you think of them. I think this is a great shoe, great colorway. Personally, the retail on these was a little too high in certain circumstances. Certain stores charge too much for them. Foot Locker mainly. Outside of that, I was really happy with the release. Here we have them on foot. The Nike Air Jordan 12 again. I love the way these look. I'd love to hear your opinion on them in the comment section below. I think all Jordan 12s look great. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out the StockX affiliate marketing links in the description. You might find something you like a nice pair of sneakers that would, a nice pair of joggers or jeans that will go with these sneakers. This is the shoe up close. Goodbye.